Good morning friends, myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I will be discussing the Q3 banking review. The Q3 results of banks under coverage universe was short of estimates at the net profit level. The banks under coverage reported a profit growth of 8.5% compared to expectation of about 13% growth. This was largely due to the sluggish performance by the public sector banks, which showed a decline of about 2.2% in their net profits. However, private sector banks continued to perform well, as they have reported a growth of 27% YOY in the net profits. The slower growth in the earnings was mainly due to sluggish growth in the net interest income and the higher provisioning during the quarter. Operating performance of the banks have weakened in the Q3, mainly due to slower growth in the advances, a slower growth in the fee income, and a YOY decline in the net interest margins. Public sector banks showed a NIA growth of about 7.8%, which is much lower than the previous quarter and also lowest in the past 5-6 quarters. The YOY decline in the margins have contributed to partly contributed to decline in the NII. However, private sector banks again continue to do well on the NII front, as they reported a growth of 22% YOY. The asset quality pressures continued in Q3 as well, as the slippages of the banks continue to remain high, though they were lower than the Q2 FY13. The restructured loans also increased for most banks under coverage, so that led to a sharp increase in the provisioning, which in a way impacted the growth in profits. This quarter, banks had to make additional provision of 0.75% on the standard restructured advances as prescribed by RBI, so that actually led to increase in the provision expenses. However, in this quarter, the banks had a relatively better treasury income, as the bond yields were lower during the quarter, so banks were able to book some gains on the bonds. However, the fee income has remained sluggish since last several quarters, as the credit growth and project activity remains subdued in the economy. So, the slowdown in the economy has impacted the banking sector by way of slower business growth and stress on the asset quality, while the government has taken several initiatives to revive the broader economy, but the recovery in the economy is likely to be gradual, and so will be the recovery in the banking sector. Also the RBI, in view of the current macro conditions, is unlikely to go for aggressive monetary easing, while banks continue to reduce their lending rates, which will have impact on their net interest margins. This will continue to add stress to the public sector banks' performance. We continue to maintain positive bias on private sector banks due to their lower exposure towards the troubled segments and their ability to grow in the current environment, also due to strong focus on the retail side. So among the private sector banks, we prefer ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, and we are very selective on the public sector bank side, so we prefer SBI and Allahabad Bank in the PSU bank space. Thank you.